just a few trucks lined up.
Meticulously track every picture of the projection process using a labeling and scanning system, so you can rest assured that nothing goes missing, guaranteeing a timely delivery. Call DM Woodworking.
That's crazy. Because like if we were trying to get home, we wouldn't be able to get by this.
No. 3 powertrains.
Wonder why they don't detour them through 112.
No, I think it's closed all the way to Hearst or something.
There's no cars mixed in, so it must just be trucks. There, it's over. No, it's not. Psych. Okay, this is going to be funny before now it's turning into like a 2-minute video.
Well, it's gonna be more than 2 minutes probably.
If anyone's having trouble sleeping at night, I suppose you could watch this. Count the trucks.
Yeah, there aren't any cars.
Yeah, so they must have let the cars detour through KL or something.
Because these ones all have no ice around them too, so they've been sitting here through the ice storm,
Sherlock.
like underneath them. So they were at least here since this morning.
Maybe the cars can turn around. That's wild. Yeah, they've been here all night, eh?
I wonder.
No, the video did not just restart.
More people in those trucks.
Did you see the pictures of the accident? It was insane.
Oh yeah, I did see that.
Why are there no cars?
I think because cars can turn around.
Oh yeah, that's probably why.
There was a car there. There was a car
There
here.
was a car here, or maybe even two. And you see the tire tracks there.
Look, if you look underneath and the road's dry.
Like there was no freezing rain. Like they've been there since before freezing rain. This looks sketchy. Maybe since
Well,
last night.
the
or
highway
at least this
closed last
morning.
night. Yeah. And that's the end of the... Nope,
No,
it's not.
like, again.
I think they're just sleeping. Like, none of them even have drivers.
Yeah. They have bunks in them and stuff. Most of them have cabs. They just fall asleep. But they have to keep them running to have heat enough to not freeze. Yeah. See, this is what I said. It'll be way more than a 2-minute video.
What am I going to do with this video? I'm going to use it.
A 10-minute? No, it's going to be more than 10-minute video. Even. I think eventually you just need to stop.
Oh, I'll just time lapse it. For anybody who finds this.
Poor truckers. All because of our Amazon addiction.
Well,
We
it
need
gives you
everything.
a
Like,
bit of an idea of how many transports are actually on the highway here. This should have been a live stream, not a recorded video. Use not going to stop recording now.
He's invested.
For the
What,
5 minute
Are you
mark.
half
The
an
5
hour?
minute mark.
Are you half an hour invested? Like,
I haven't changed up my PJs in about 4 days, and I love it. My family has a tradition. They throw a big karaoke party on this particular weekend.
Where did this start? Right as we turned on.
yeah, the Y. So like the South Y is closed. The highway's closed at the South Y up north.
It's Kenny Chesney's Big Star.
Imagine what that
Matter of fact, I'm up in a few minutes, so play us some Kenny. And let's do a little sincerely Wes Brubeck.
You guys want to stop and see Earl the Buffalo? There's actually a sign.
Someday.
Hey, if you're still with us, we're approaching the 6 minute mark. We want to thank you for your continuing patronage. If you want to, oh, here we're getting some personal vehicles.
Ones that have-
Abandoned
haven't
cars
changed.
that have run out of gas.
They haven't turned around yet. They're still holding out hope down here. The ones up there are not holding out hope. Okay, why wasn't this on 511?
Yeah, because on the highway
wasn't.
thing, it just says
It
the
didn't
highway's
say it was
closed there. It doesn't say that it's
No, it didn't even say it was closed on mine.
what? Well,
Anyway.
yeah, it said it was closed between Highway 112 and Highway 66. But it didn't mention that the right lane of Highway 11 was blocked by trucks for 15 kilometers. We're now at the 7 minute 14 mark. Yeah, that should be like actual news.
Be like, what?
Like this should have been communicated broadly.
Everyone in Northern Ontario. On the radio, at least.
We can get this on CTV.
We don't watch CTV, so it might be on CTV. We could supply it. Poor truck drivers. Oh, that person. No, they're not here. I thought they were going to turn around. There's people with hazards, so I'm guessing we're getting to the end. Because
These guys haven't turned around
they
yet.
haven't, no, but they also have their hazards on still. Like everyone stopped and they still have their hazards on. So I'm guessing.
What?
I did.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
I got
At the
it.
South Y, you didn't.
You can watch the replay.
And these ones don't have the freezing rain around them too.
Yeah, got
So-
Sherlock Holmes here in the driver's seat.
2003, that was Kenny Chesney's Big Star. And
Getting closer.
awesome family.
Yeah, you can sense that there's still some hope with these drivers. There's
Yeah,
less to
they've given
spare.
up.
They're still in the driver's seats. They haven't settled in for the night.
They've got their hazards on still.
What about you? Do you have a special song in your heart with your
Well, that might be the end at the top of the hill there.
It might be.
Like, someone should get in trouble for not making this widely known. Like it should have been on 511 that this highway was
Like so
blocked
backed up.
all the way to Englehart. It just says it's clear, like not snowing.
Yeah. Like if someone's trying to go from Englehart to Kirkland, the highways are open. What? Guess what? You're stopped for a long time.
Update from the Canadian Press. Russian President Vladimir Putin apologized to his Azerbaijani counterpart for the fact that a fatal crash of an
But these ones are moving.
airliner occurred in Russian airspace. Putin's apology comes from mounting allegations that the plane
Is this the end? 10 minutes? We're approaching the end of the train.
Two senior members of the federal cabinet were in Florida with members of Donald Trump's transition team yesterday, a day after
Yeah, that one's moving there.
at 10 minutes and 14 seconds.
There it is.
And that's it.
That's the end. This person, turn around now.
Turn around.
Turn around now.
Don't do it.
Don't get in this thing.
Hey, buddy, slow down.
Slow down. Oh, actually, is that right? Yeah.
All right. This would be, this is the Kurtz family signing
Start
off.
of